Traders, it's Wednesday. Is the market looking to shift gears? Let's just have a look at this. I've drawn this, pulled this line through here. Measured move, give or take, right, a few pips here and there. That one's a bit wider, but definitely here. Let's retrace. Here. Here. So if we pop that down here, for example, a move back up into this level is not out of the question. And I'm thinking we're going to see this pull up. Today, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, definitely it will most likely take out stops above here towards the end of the week. So be careful. I mean, look, my bias is bearish on this, but we've got this thin candle here and a bit of a consolidation range down the bottom here, a dip below. And if we go back, actually go back over the weekly time frame, see this weekly low over here, this massive stop run prior to this rally. Well, we've spiked down under here. I mean, that's fairly significant. It's a big move down into a key weekly low over here, this level. And look behind or left coincides with this one. All right, so this is significant. This is an institutional level. Tapped into it, and are they waiting here with buy orders ready to send it back up north somewhere into these levels up here? Right, so I've got this measured move kind of thing going on here. At the end of the week, I don't expect a trend to continue into the end of the week. I'm generally looking at a retrace. Wednesday can be a bit messy, but yeah, definitely Thursday and Friday. So, you know, consider that this trades back up through here. So that's the euro dollar. It's sort of the same story with the pound dollar. They're fairly correlated. Anyway, we've got this thin candle here on the daily time frame, and what comes with that is this huge range from candle left and the candle right, this imbalance on the daily. So if the market's looking to rebalance and it's hunting liquidity, it makes sense to me that this range up through here is a target all through here. We could copy and paste that, right? So just consider that this is ripe for the picking. We've got retail traders short galore and stops resting all through here. Well, and above this previous high, back in through here, right? So this whole area in here is a target for smart money. Imbalance, stop losses, they take it back up, wipe everybody out, and it's happy days for the big guns. So you don't want to get caught. With that in mind, let's go down to a 4-hour chart, and I'll give you my take on what I'm seeing here and a potential trade opportunity. So we'll just go down. All right, so just having a look at this section here, we've got this bearish break of structure under this daily low right here, break of structure. We have on the 4-hour time frame this thin candle here. So we've got a gap there, so we'll call that a 4H imbalance. We've got this balance area over here that I've pulled through, level of interest. So I mean, it could, you know, do we get a shallow pullback? And then, because I am bearish, I am, you know, looking for a sell opportunity, or, you know what, because it's the end of the week, I think I'm going to be waiting for Monday for the opportunity. And I think this trades back up, and who knows how far it'll go. But you want to consider a couple of things. Let me just get rid of that. You want to consider this imbalance here and under here, imbalance, right? I'm looking at this thin candle here. There's nothing left and right of it, bearish imbalance. Right, that's a target for a retrace, a pull back up into these levels. We'll call that liquidity there and there. To be honest, as I mentioned, very reluctant to get involved with this at the moment. I prefer to stay out of the market and just see how this trades up, where it lands, and then look for a short opportunity on Monday. So that will, if this pulls back, it will rotate at some stage, like it did here. You'll see that, and that'll be the opportunity. If I was to set up a set and forget scenario, well, I would go in with a short. I've got this balance area up here, at least, yeah, you know, like, I mean, I wouldn't even, I would go in with a sell limit order, and I'd even put my stop loss above this high. Set up a sell limit order in there like so. Go for broke with that. All right, that'll be ongoing. I'll be looking to take a partial profits and trail the rest and see what we get out of it. But look, that would be a play for me. We've got this previous high Yeah, just be careful because they're going to be attacking previous, these daily levels, these highs here. They're going to be looking to take out liquidity above these daily levels, right? So, where do you want to go with that? You got a daily order block up in here. So on the daily time frame, my stop loss is here. On the 4-hour time frame, my stop loss is, I'm okay with that. I would go at least 50%. Where are we? Halfway through. See that this is a daily, right? This is dotted line is the 50% line. So, and we've got this daily high here, right? So my stop loss on a 4-hour trade setup would look like that, and that might be a little bit tight. So let's just go out to the daily and see what it looks like, and consider how far this thing can move. You might want to pick up the average true range on the daily time frame and see what it says. But actually I've got that. Just have a look. I think one of my indicators here will have it. It's not. Oh yeah, and here's another thing. Look, see how far out from this midline, this white line here. That's the mean. Look how far out from the mean we're trading at the moment. Yeah, I'm going to go above this previous daily high. Go for broke. All right, that's my setup, guys. Daily time frame. That's it. Yep. Stop loss above this green candle high. I'm okay with that. So yeah, if you look back, you see how this is traded. It's gonna look to pull back into the mean. This one here was a little bit shallow. This was a little bit shallow. Yeah, we've got that, but that's what I'm looking at. And then hopefully we get that into next week. So that's my take, guys. I would like to invite you to leave a comment, and hope you have a great day. And as always, safe trading, and we'll see you in the next video. There it is.